was called Kwesi Kwasher. That was her full name. And not just Kwasher, but Kwesi Kwasher. And so because of that, he gave her that name. And that name was symbolic. It was symbolic in that his life was filled with darkness. Personally, because he had no male children, and secondly, the future of our kingdom was in darkness. Because he had no children, he had no sons. And so, that's the good thing of naming your children good names, because they later manifest these things in life. And so, Mommy manifested it.
Rwebishengye jogambira abantu bawe bakwehangana buzima kandi ntibasima munonga.
Bitu Lunanje n'umukazi wawe Lilian mzee wetu Lady Kwezi n'ondijo mzee wetu Antwaga abayombo abatuzeire abhinda n'abhindakazi abaryaha abebembezi mwena baryaha abya gavumenti ekanisa n'amahe abanyampore mwena abantu mwena omutinisa byanyu Nibanyita Rwebishengye, and that is the name I like to be called by the way. So, that is my name. And now, nanyenda kubanza kusima Alex okushika achitinseki. Alex oku nimukizaho exactly omwaka gumwe n'amezi abiri. And so omwaka gwa 1994 tatitwe, and by the way it's only me and Alex who are there by then, and tatitwe yashalamu kuntwala mwishomero, but Alex was to stay at home. And so kuna ishiro mwishomero naliyanga, I'll tell you the truth. And so he decided Munka until 1995 when Alex was a bit older. And so when the year came, it was only Mwishomero nyona Alex. Kutwahitira Mwishomero abana bona bareba Alex bayanga umwana bakaba bamutera. And so I would come up and just defend him. And it so happened omwaka gwa 1998 that he decided to take us to boarding school. And there was a new school by then, Taipa Junior School. And so Twazayo were the pioneers. There were about 14 children there, and me and Alex were one of them. And so Twashreyo, Twashoma, and in P7 Twaheza, and Alex went to Bodo, and I stayed in Taipa. And then S5, Yanshanle. And then we finished S6, and then we went to university, and then in 2017, it was, Alex came to UK. And so we are still in UK, Alex obu n'omuntu okutangaza. You can imagine tegateba omwana akahika UK, yahabwa amasomo. And I had to look for him physically, you can imagine. But I managed to get him, and I got to know that he was okay. And then time came and I left him there, and yeah. So Alex Ogu, I want to thank him for one thing. Much as I'm his elder brother, but we shield each other, all of us. We shield each other. When I find myself in trouble, Alex shows up. And when he finds himself in trouble, we all show up, including Jojo. And for that reason, I thank you, all of you. Alex Ogu, last year, a Akeja Yangamriting. That was a bit emotional. And he told me that naenda kushwera and that akana shabangu akorobji kayanzi. And I told him, Alex, you don't need to ask. You just don't need to ask. Go on. And when he was, we are you and Simera, and I was like, wow. But I thank him for everything. Jojo is our last born. And best man wa Alex uya na wagambe chichi ya wagambara. He left out something. He left out the fact that when Jojo said what he said to Daddy, it was a very emotional moment, by the way. It was a very, very emotional moment in that Owiro Bodaduga Kaya Pusi, Kana Kaya Tansi Extraction. And so, when Jojo said what he said, Daddy laughed so hard, and Mommy also laughed so hard, and then after that, Dogi Watahansi. And he was like, Jojo Hanguko now to Azaka Kaka Ujiniwa. And he cried. And Mommy cried too. And it was emotional. And now that Alex is getting married, it's emotional. Because I know how much he would be happy to be here. And I thank him, because of the fact that Akana at home. And so I would like to take this opportunity to Musima, even now that Tako, for the love he showered us with. I would like to also see Mama Mogu. No, let me not call you Mammy, please. I thank you. When Daddy decided to marry her, when she came to this home in 1990, that time and so easily something significant happened. Owirogo agaharum kursi Mutembere ishe Nasantande Kwili. I think he has gone home, and his late brother Franklin. And what happened is that man gave Mommy that name Kwezi. So therefore Mommy's birth name is Denise to sing. It's not Kwezi. And when he gave Mommy Kwezi that name, the reason as to why he gave her that name is that my great-grandmother, Daddy's grandmother, was called Kwezi Kwasher. That was her full name. And not just Kwasher, but Kwezi Kwasher. And so because of that, he gave her that name. And that name was symbolic. It was symbolic in that his life was filled with darkness. Personally, because he had no male children. And secondly, the future of our kingdom was in darkness. Because he had no children, he had no sons. And so, that's the good thing of naming your children good names, because they later manifest these things in life. And so, Mommy manifested it. I did not give Daddy one son, but 4 boys. And I thank you. But then, I also thank you, Nikusima Mommy, because Torako Marako, you became the moon that that old man called you